Welcome to MyAra. MyAra is an exciting new tool which will provide students with quick and easy access to information about their study at ARA. MyAra can be accessed by computer or as an app, which can be downloaded from the Apple App Store or Google Play. To use MyAra, you first need to set up your ARA network login and password, using the details emailed to you when you enrolled. To access MyAra from a computer, simply navigate to myara.ara.ac.nz from your browser. If you're using the mobile app, once it's installed, open and then log in with your ARA email and password. Your dashboard is made up of many different tiles, including common tiles you might use like Mail, Moodle and Calendar. MyAra allows users to easily personalize their dashboard to suit them. Your desktop and mobile dashboards are separate and can be customized independently. If you are on a desktop, you can easily switch to the personalized screen by clicking the Personalize button on your dashboard. You can use the menu to make changes using the various options available. On both the desktop and mobile dashboard, you can click the feedback button to easily send the MyAra team a comment. You may be contacted about your comment for more information. Thanks for watching, and we hope you make the most of the new MyAra platform.